Hello and welcome to the Asher Hi-Am channel. Today I'm going to be talking to you about something really interesting, about how I am making a bit of money at the moment and how you can too very, very easily. In this new series, which this episode is a part of, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money, not just in the short term, but in the long run. So today I'm going to be talking about the first way in which I am able to make money at the moment and how you can too. Now, this is just a short disclaimer that money is not everything. It doesn't mean the world to me and is not the be all and end all. Being entrepreneurial is a skill of mine and a skill that I really enjoy to perform. I really enjoy when I get a bargain or a deal and making somebody happy with what they have purchased then from me once I then go on to sell it. So the main way that I'm going to be talking about today is basic flipping. Now, the basic idea of flipping is buying a product cheaply and selling it for more expensive, adding extra value to that product. Now, that extra value can be your marketing in a better way, or taking better images, or putting a better description up to describe the item better. So today I'm going to be going through the 5 steps to take you from a beginner to somebody who is making money from flipping every week. Now, I've got to say as well, I'm quite a beginner to this. I mean, I've played around in so many different entrepreneurial niches now, it's insane. But I am going to share some inside knowledge that I have learned from doing this for a while. Okay, so come with me on my journey as we start going along from me finding products to me setting up accounts to me then finishing and selling an item. So first what I want to do is I want to show you a few products that I've recently purchased. I want to show you what I've done, talking to the people and have executed the transaction to make sure it's safe and I'm getting the best deal. So last week what I did was I was scrolling through Marketplace as per usual, just looking about like what I was just doing there, and I came across this listing which I'll put up on screen right now. It was for these AirPods Pro. Now the catch was that one AirPod was working fine, the other AirPod not so much. It's in half. So what I did was I bought it and I paid only 60 quid for these AirPods. That's including the box, which let's just say is not in the best condition. We've got all the papers here. We've got the actual AirPods Pro case. There we go. And then all the accessories, charger, everything. I bought these for £60 and it was literally on the way back from our holiday. So we drove down and picked them up. The box and the AirPods alone are selling for about 80 quid on eBay, so just that is profit. But also, as a replacement, just the single AirPod, not the broken one, is selling for about around sort of 50 quid as well. So it's a pretty good deal that I got, which I was pretty amazed with. Now, your next step is to list your item up on eBay. So hopefully you've already got the eBay app on your phone. So make sure you've got an eBay account, link your PayPal to it, and you're ready to sell. So I've got quite a lot of items already selling up here. So to start, what you want to do is you want to go to list an item, right? So I've already listed up the AirPods Pro, but I'm going to list them up again just for the purpose of this video. What you want to do is you want to describe your AirPods. So I've got AirPods Pro with the wireless charging case and all accessories. Okay, so now it's gonna take me to this bit. I just need to choose headphones and like portable headphones. I'm going to click used because they are. You should never lie on eBay. You just got to tell the truth no matter what condition they are in, because worst case scenario and what will probably happen is they'll send them back and you'll no longer have a customer and you'll have to find another one. So I'd just be honest. So next thing I want to do is get some really high quality good photos of the AirPods. So I'm going to show you, for example, what I've done with the AirPods here. So as you can see, I've got some really nice good quality photos. I'm making sure that I have got like lots of different angles, lots of different shots. The inside of the case so you can see the markings, the light on the front, the LED to check. But making sure that people can see every single angle so it looks like you're not hiding anything. So I've actually listed them up for a 7-day auction at £60 starting plus £5 of postage. And that moves me quite nicely on to my description, because my description not only mentions what they are, but it mentions why I am charging that price. So all in great condition and ready to be used. Please contact me if you'd like any more photos. So being really open again, making sure that they know that you're not trying to scam them. You're a real genuine person trying trying to just sell. Please contact me, making sure that you're going to be ready to contact them if they do need any more photos or questions, and just being genuine and nice to people. Okay, and finally, this £5 postage is really important, and that's moving me on again very nicely to what I'm going to be talking about next, which is packing, posting, sending off the items and getting paid. So posting an item to somebody on eBay. Now make sure they have paid. You'll be able to see this on the on sort of your seller screen. You'll be able to see if they have paid. It will sort of say at the bottom like payment received into PayPal. Sometimes if you're a new seller, PayPal will hold the money for a little bit of time, but you will get the money eventually. So I am going to show you how I would package an item. Now it depends if it's an item of clothing or an electronic to how you post it and how secure the item needs to be. So I've got the box here, which is already quite a steady box. I'm just going to make sure everything's the right orientation, everything's the right way around, so then it doesn't look weird when they open the box. Okay, so now I have finally done sort of packaging on these. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop them in this sort of foam thingy. It's actually like an offcut of an ironing board, so but it's really padded. So I'm just going to put the actual box in here, find out which way to put it, and just make sure it's really tightly wrapped like that, and then I'm just going to put that in a bag, and I'll seal it up and I'll show you in a second. Hello, I am back. It's been a couple of hours now. In this time we have had a storm, which was nice. The lighting has changed a lot, and yeah, but we're back. So I'm back to finish off the last bit of the video and recap everything we talked about. I have sealed this in foam. This will have another layer on top of it before I send it off. This is the single AirPod. This has another layer of foam on it, and in this recycled letter thingy. But also, I managed to make this really sort of thin and lightweight, so this will actually be able to go as a large letter. So despite the person paying about £3.50, which is about the average cost for sending something usually like this, they will only be paying, I'll only be paying £1.60, so I can profit a little bit on the postage. And finally, with things like t-shirts, they're not going to break in the post, so just put them in like a little bag like this, and I put a little note in this one just saying thank you for buying from me. Now I just want to quickly recap over the video, talking about the main different points that you need to remember, also helping you to stay safe whilst you're doing this. Step 1 is setting up your eBay and PayPal accounts, linking them together and getting them running. Step 2 is selling things maybe around your house and just getting to know how eBay works and getting to know the market and stuff like that, and getting reviews on your account so you seem like a legitimate person. Step 3 is going out onto Facebook Marketplace or Gumtree, the places where you'll find the cheapest items to sell or flip or resell, and list these up on your eBay account, which is step 4. Step 4 is making sure you price the items well, and this is where you want to start making profit. So a few good items that I would talk about is, a few good items that I'd say to start with is either clothes, buying them in bulk, or finding single clothes, or the best one which I've found at the moment is Amazon Echo Spots. Now, as you can see further back in the video, I'll put another thing here. I bought this Amazon Echo Spot for £25 on PayPal. I paid by PayPal Goods and Services. It arrived, and I sold it on eBay for 43 plus postage. So that was a nice little 20 quid profit there that I just made from one small flip. And lastly is postage, making sure that everything is nice and safe, and that you post it well, you post it insured or whatever you've agreed with the buyer. And finally is just some safety things. Now the first safety thing is always paying with PayPal Goods and Services. Now, if you don't know, PayPal Goods and Services means that you can get your money back if anything goes wrong. This is a great thing that PayPal do, and definitely utilise it. Never do bank transfer, as I have realised twice, losing a massive amount of money in multiple scams, which I will make a video on if you're interested. Make sure you know what a fake looks like and how to deter it from the real ones. Now, this is especially, you need to be especially vigilant with AirPods, especially sort of AirPods Pro, because there are so many fakes now put on the market all the time. So I can do another video again on how to spot fake AirPods, a sort of main roundup video of how to do that. But it can also happen with clothes and loads of different other items, so make sure you watch multiple videos and do your research before buying. Finally, is making sure that you meet up in a safe place like a car park. I wouldn't recommend going to somebody's house, then it can be fine. But mainly, my advice would be to go and meet them in a car park or an open space where there are people around in case anything goes wrong. And if I've missed anything, just drop it down in the comment section below. Please help each other out. And if you need any help, I'm definitely there to help. You can message me at asherhyam.official on Instagram and make sure that you are doing it right, and I'm happy to help. But also drop me a follow there. And yeah, so don't forget what I've told you in this video, and I really hope that you guys can go out and get some solid enjoyment as well as a little bit of cash out of this. So thank you very much for watching. Please consider subscribing if you would. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very, very much for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.